of office ownership is changing. Most people are buying office space to diversify their investment base and potentially grow their income. Find out why.
MMC is 21 years old. We started in 1995. We are a corporate commercial law firm. We have 9 partners, 15 associates, and a staff of just about 80. In terms of the journey of premises, we started off in a 300 square foot office in Townhouse. So we're just 5 of us. We grew fairly rapidly and moved to View Park Towers, where we had about 2,500 square feet. In another 6 years, again, we had grown quite significantly and moved to Britam. Again, we were renting. So at that point, we realized, one, we were going to continue growing, and it wasn't going to be a practical way of moving our location every time. So we thought, let's look for a place that's ours and which has potential for us to be able to grow. So 6 years ago is when we moved into this particular location. I think the biggest factor for us here was the ambience. We wanted a place where people enjoy coming to. You spend the bulk of your waking life working, and you want to be able to work in a place that is conducive, but also with the ability to expand. And lastly, we also saw that the town itself was changing. Remember, we started off in the CBD, then moved on to Upper Hill, but we saw that a lot of corporate clients were also starting to move towards Westlands. So from a location point of view, we thought that it would be not a bad idea, even if we moved slightly earlier than the clients to this direction. So those are the main factors. The approach in terms of design was more from a functional point of view as opposed to a temperament point of view. As a law firm, we have many requirements. We are away from the commercial center, so we have a big kitchen that makes sure that we provide meals for everybody. We also needed big facilities for meetings, client meetings, as well as staff meetings. And key to our operations is growth. We're very big on personal development, so we needed a big training area. And therefore, we also designed with that in mind. So it was a question of looking what are the key elements that we need from a functional point of view, and then putting those together. Then, of course, there were a couple of other touches. One of our partners is very artistic, and he commissioned some art pieces for the entire offices just to give it that human face as well. Now, what we did is we bought a property that had an old house, so we largely gutted it and remodeled and rebuilt the whole place. Like any other major project, what you've got to do is think through your financing. There's the purchase, and there's the construction, and there's the refurbishment. So we had a 2-year program through which we acquired the property, designed it, and then equipped it. It's obviously a lot more expensive in terms of upfront payment, but in terms of long term, when in Spring Valley, when we moved 6 years ago, property prices have almost doubled. So even without doing anything, you're getting a lot more value from your asset by sitting on it. If you're renting, that's sunk money. But of course, if you're a small business, it would not be prudent to start with ownership, because it's a huge outlay, unless you're going to get very favorable mortgage terms. So I think there's a downside to purchasing if you don't have substantial capital, but there's longer term value in ownership. Big challenge is usually in terms of the project management, being able to ensure that your project runs on time and on budget. We had to actually plead with our former landlord for an extension of almost 6 months because there was delays in getting the project completed. So I think that was one of the big challenges, but it's not a fundamental one. If you get a good set of people working with you, you'll be able to implement within reasonable parameters. We're a law firm, so we are not building consultants. So we had to get consultants. So we had an architect, we had an interior designer, we had engineers. This area doesn't have sewer, so we put together a package plant on site, which is eco-friendly. So we had an environmental engineer as well on board, but we also had a team from our side working with them. reviewing the designs and also just checking the progress. And at one point, 2 of our staff members had to be almost with them on a day-to-day basis. For us, the end product is one we are proud of. We have a fantastic location. We have a good ambience. It beats being in town. Here you can work in the garden, you can work in the terrace, you can work in the office. So that sort of flexibility you don't find in a lot of offices. I think the ownership of offices is bound to be a growing trend. The challenge always with companies though is that you can actually outgrow your premises pretty quickly. So when you're choosing to own, you really need to factor in that. Otherwise you will outgrow the place and you will find that you have to go and either rent another place and end up renting this. So there's got to be a balance there. Yeah? You need to understand your growth and be able to project it adequately.
If you're looking for a commercial space, either for rental or buying, call on us and let's